Let us talk about another antioxidant and also an anti-inflammatory. This Quaker Oats, it helps you to soak that excess oil on your face. So it's also good for acne. You know, I like to bring these home remedies that we have been seeing in the house and we don't know what else they can do apart from eating. If you are a foodie, I know you will like Quaker Oats because when you wake up in the morning, it's very quick to do and take. If you are late to work, you can take Quaker Oats at any minute before even being there to fry plantain or yam. As I told you guys, it's good for oily face. Very, very good for oily face. And it also helps your skin to look glow, smooth, and then brighten. In most cases, when I use Quaker Oats to wash my face, I always feel so fresh because whenever I look at my face after using this, I feel like, wow, this is amazing. This is overwhelmed. So you better try this. I'm going to use only this remedy without nothing. Without nothing. I've already opened it. So what you need to do is just to put some in your hand. You don't need to take any bowl or container to put this. Put some in your hand like this because that creamy or the milk liquid that comes out from the oats, that's what we need. So I'm going to add the water here just a little bit. If you are in the bathroom, you can do it in the sink. Are you seeing this? Okay, so I have put some water here, so I'm going to allow it to soak. I'm going to dab this on my hand. Guys, don't use a bowl when you're doing this. If you like, you can do it, but me, I use it in this way because I want to squeeze it in my hand and feel that creamy in my hand. Then as I'm doing this, do it as well. Then you squeeze it a little bit, squeeze it a little bit. Oh, see the milk. Oh my God, this is so milky. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Okay, you are good to go. It's kind of nasty, but don't mind, okay? When you need to be beautiful, you have to do all these things so that you can look beautiful and have a good skin and avoid anything like dry skin. Because when you have dry skin, it's very, very bad. Whatever cream you use is not going to work for you. So you have to go for home remedies, and they are cheap and affordable as well. So this is it. Now you're going to use it and scrub your face. Every morning when you do this, bet me, you will see an instant results. Not like you will go to work and come back, or you will go out to the market and come back and see results. You will see instant results. So scrub your face with it and allow it to be there for 5 minutes, then wash out your face with a warm water, and then take towel and dab your face. Oh my God, you're gonna love your face so much. So I hope that this video is useful. I have wasted this Quaker Oats because this is the second video I'm doing for today, so that's why I don't really want to wipe my face, and it's not yet in the evening. I do it in the evening and morning, so that's it. So there are many ways you can get rid of acne. There are many ways you can make your skin smooth and fresh and brighten without suffering or spending much money on it. So try these home remedies videos I'm doing so that it can help you on your skin. So therefore, if you don't get tomato in your house, you get carrot, or you get Quaker Oats, or you get honey. Whatever you get, I'm trying to do some videos that you know that if you don't have this, you can go for that. If you don't have this, you can go for that. So there is alternative in everything. Every problem, there is a solution. So I am your problem solver and a game changer. So take note of this and then subscribe to this channel, and don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up whenever you watch my videos, and also try to let me know whatever video you want me to do, and I will do it for you guys because I'm here for you all. So bye bye. Okay guys, this is gonna be the end of the video, but it's gonna be a bonus in this video. I want to tell you guys that there are things that you do every day and night that doesn't help your skin very, very well, or there are things that you take and it will not help your skin, or you are always going to be in a situation whereby your skin is always going to be dry. You will never have a sensitive skin because you don't really want to leave these things for that thing. I'm going to do that video. So that video will come up probably 2 days after this video, and I know you're going to enjoy the video. So stay tuned to know what to take and what not to take. And then I love you. Bye.